Hi friends! Over the past few weeks, people are posting videos of themselves dancing with Tung Tung Sahur. This has become a trend on social media platforms. In this tutorial, I will share how to easily dance with Triple T in seconds. This dancing videos are basically made using ready-to-use template. For mobile users, we can use HitPaw Photo P to apply the effect. I will put the official access link in the description. Find the hot effects in the homepage. Tap all, and we can find the dance with Triple T templates. Tap Use Template, then import one of your own full body photo. Here I am using this image for example. Then tap Generate. When it is completed, we have this cool dancing with Triple T video in 2K resolution. You may then share it with friends to have fun. These are other examples using different images. Besides that, there are more trending and viral templates inside the app. Feel free to explore it yourself. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. Stay tuned for more AI trends and contents in my channel. See you next time.